How to delete TikTok video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am BMO from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually delete TikTok videos. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now the very first thing what you have to do is you have to go to your profile page by typing on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you come to your profile page over here, what you want to do is you can see some of the photos and videos which I have posted. So if you would like to delete a particular video from this list, all you have to do is go ahead and open up that particular video. Once you open up that video, let's say this is the video which I want to delete, what you have to do is from the very bottom right corner of the screen, you can see this little three dot icon. So just go ahead and tap on this three dot icon and you'll see all this sort of various options. All you have to do is at the bottom you'll see all these options. Again, you want to scroll down all the way to the right hand side and you'll find this trash icon which says delete. So go ahead and then tap on the button called delete. As you tap on delete, it will ask you for a confirmation as to whether or not you would really like to delete the video. Simply tap on the delete button. Keep in mind that once you delete it, there's no way to restore it, just like you do it on Instagram and so on. Then it is going to be permanently deleted. Once you delete it, that's basically how you can delete videos on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.